whole saga says to me is a recognition that artistic expression is not the same thing as laws that are put in place to protect our society.
Quebec's Court of Appeal has ruled that actors can smoke on stage during performances, finding it can be protected as artistic expression. Justice Judith Harvey ruled that banning smoking on stage does more harm to freedom of expression than good. Those in the theater community say the ruling is a relief.
It's really not about the smoking, because it's not about, we would never want to promote smoking, and the health and safety of our audiences is very important. But I think it really is about freedom of expression.
When I first heard about it, I thought, that's crazy. I mean, how could you ban a sage cigarette on a stage when, in fact, it's much more unhealthy to run a smoke machine on the stage?
The case stems from fines issued under Quebec's tobacco control law, which bans smoking in enclosed public spaces, including cultural venues. The government appealed a Superior Court decision that struck down $500 fines against 3 Quebec City theaters for allowing actors to smoke during performances between 2017 and 2019. Those shows included Conversation avec mon pénis, presented at Premier Acte.
Well, in this play, the man is talking to his own genitalia because he got testicular cancer diagnosis. So, of course, he's going to be stressed. And if you're the audience watching that and it's a fake cigarette, it kind of breaks the suspension of disbelief that's necessary for the theater.
As theater makers, you always want to try to represent a character or a time as authentically as possible. And there have been many instances, with this law in place, it's impeded us in doing so.
Ruben points to past productions where period accuracy was part of the challenge, including Beautiful, the Carole King musical set in the 60s.
How do you represent a time like that without, it was a language almost of the time.
Freedom of speech is part of our Constitution, it's part of our Charter of Human Rights, and it's absolutely necessary in the arts to have freedom of speech.
Joanie Bouffard, City News, Montreal.